Hi guys, so with the imminent release of cataloging for Repsly, I thought I'd show you how to actually bring the images into Repsly because you need to bring in products with an external URL. So I just thought I'd show you how to do that quickly. So you're going to get your product image. So in this case, I'm just going to, as an example, I've just searched for a driver image that I want to pull in. So I'm going to click on the image. I'm going to actually save it to my to my desktop. So I'm just going to save that down there to my desktop. Now what I'm going to do is you need to now put this image into either a Google Drive or into something like a Dropbox. So once this image is in Google Drive or Dropbox over here, you can click on the image and have a look at it, make sure you're happy with it. But then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a shareable link, but also that the preferences are open, that anyone can view this image. So in this case, I'm going to go to advanced settings under this photo specifically, and I'm going to change private access only to public on the web. So anyone on the web will be able to actually see this image. Okay, so now once I've got that, I can copy this link. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my Repsly upload template, and here's my actual the product that I'm going to be using. I'm going to then paste this in to the folder. Now once I upload that into Repsly, this product will then appear under products and you'll have an image available. Okay, so I hope that helps. So key things, you can use a Google Drive or Google or something like a Dropbox, and the image must have an open URL so that anyone can view that image.